Hey, everyone! In today's video, I'll show you how to make $10,000 per month using AI. Whether you're a beginner or already making money online, these AI-powered methods will help you grow fast. Let's get started. AI-powered affiliate marketing. One of the best ways to earn passive income is affiliate marketing with AI. Use ChatGPT to write product reviews and emails. Use Canva and Pictory to create video ads. Promote high-paying affiliate programs like software and finance products. Example: Amazon, ClickBank, and PartnerStack offer AI-friendly affiliate programs. AI YouTube automation. Want to earn money without showing your face? AI can run your YouTube channel for you. Use Mootion to generate full videos. Use ElevenLabs for realistic AI voiceovers. Monetize with YouTube AdSense and affiliate links. Many YouTubers are making $10,000 plus per month this way. Selling AI-generated eBooks. Another easy AI business is selling digital products. Use ChatGPT to write eBooks. Design covers with Canva. Sell them on Amazon Kindle, Gumroad, or Etsy. Some authors make over $100,000 per year just selling eBooks. AI digital services. Start a business selling AI-generated services on Fiverr and Upwork. AI logo design using Midjourney. AI content writing with Jasper AI. AI video editing using Runway ML. Clients pay $50 to $500 per project, and AI does most of the work. AI investing and trading. AI can even help you make money in the stock market. Platforms like TradingView and Capital.com use AI insights. AI bots can automate crypto and stock trading. Some AI investors earn passive income daily. Conclusion and call to action. These AI methods are life-changing. Which one do you want to try first?
Comment below.
Don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications for more money-making tips.